Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great Wednesday. And boy, as advertised, that bomb cyclone, it dumped a lot of snow and brought a lot of wind into western Washington. The snow was pretty much in central Washington, but we'll talk more about that in a second. Here is a look outside our weather window from this afternoon. It's our #1 Canyon Sky-Fi Tower cam, and you can see still a lot of low-hanging clouds around the Wenatchee Valley, and it's a mixture. Some low clouds, some fog, and also some smoke from everyone using those wood-burning stoves today. We could still, it's highly doubtful, but still see a little bit of light snow through tonight to about 4 a.m. on Thursday. Wenatchee, we could pick up maybe another inch or so of snow, and the same goes for the Omak Loop Pass area, another inch or two, and the same for Stevens and up into Washington Pass. But boy, places like Stevens Pass and Loop Pass, 18 inches of snow. They don't need any more additional snow. We'll talk more about that here coming up. But today's high temperature, as expected, it was a little cooler than normal. 37, our unofficial high today. 42 is where we should be for this time of year. And once again, beautiful record high in 1962 of 62 degrees. We were 32 this morning. 30 is our normal low. And once again, that cold November of 1985, our third day in a row, our record low, 6 degrees back in 1985. And how about this? 9/10 of an inch of precipitation out of this heavy wet snow that we picked up, and that gets us a little healthier. 4.9 inches now for the year, but we're still about 1.4 inches behind where we should be for this time of year. And for the first time, snowfall, 5 inches reported at Pangbourne Airport. The funny thing is, a lot less in Wenatchee, but then a little bit more as you climb in elevation. 7:14 our sunrise this morning, and the sun set this afternoon at 4:19. Let's check those Thursday temperatures. They'll be a lot like today, still a little bit on the cool side. 44 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 43 in Quincy, 39s from Wenatchee into Eniat and Chelan, 40 for Omak, and 37 the afternoon high temperature tomorrow for you folks up in Leavenworth. Tonight we can expect evening rain showers. Here's what's left of that bomb cyclone. It's just a very strong winter storm now, and you can see a widespread rain is expected throughout Washington with some snow showers once again in the northern Cascades. Lows tonight in the low 30s. For your Thursday, mostly cloudy skies, a couple areas of low pressure now beginning to develop. We'll see about a 40% chance of rain on Thursday. High temperatures near 40 degrees. Getting you into the end of the week on Friday. This could be a wet day as well. Cloudy skies, perfect position of this area of low pressure to bring that moisture into Washington. 80% chance of the wet stuff with highs in the low 40s. As we get you into your upcoming weekend, things will begin to dry out. Mostly cloudy, a little bit warmer on Saturday. We'll see highs in the mid 40s, so that'll be about 3 to 4 degrees above where we should be for this time of year. Still some scattered showers in the Seattle area if you're headed that way this weekend, but don't think the passes will be bad. For Sunday, mostly cloudy skies. Our area of low pressure actually moves back out to the west a little bit. We'll see a nice day for Sunday with high temperatures again about where they should be for this time of year in the low 40s. Kicking off our next work week, mostly cloudy skies once again throughout the entire state. We'll see seasonal temperatures with highs in those low 40s. So we're going to stay awfully consistent as far as temperatures go. By the time we get to the end of our forecast on Tuesday, partly cloudy skies then. Not a bad day at all with high temperatures again consistently into those low 40s. Take a look at your 7-day forecast now. The freezing mark overnight tonight, 40% chance of rain tomorrow and 39 degrees. This will be our next wet day on Friday, an 80% chance of rain. The good news, we're going to warm up to about 43 degrees. And then by the time we get to the weekend, mostly cloudy for both Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures between 40 and 45 with partly to mostly cloudy skies early next week. High temperatures generally in the low 40s. And that's a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.